Hey guys, I'm Muskan Goel, event lead at GDSC Shahid Sukhdev College. So today we are gonna create a Google Cloud Skill Boost account for GDSC Cloud Study Jam program. So let's start with the video. Firstly, we have to sign in and make an account here. You can join that as well, but we are gonna sign in. So you have two options: sign in with your Google or enter your email and password. It's your choice, but I will prefer sign in with Google. Coming to the next step, here you have to choose your official ID because this is a place where you are gonna get all the information. After clicking on your official ID, there will come some of the policies that you have to accept. Click on the captcha code that I'm not a robot and you can accept all these. Yes, so just click on I accept. Coming up next, now you have successfully created your Skill Boost account. Here are all the paths that you can explore if you want to. Coming up next, you just have to create a profile. So click on the profile tab and click on make badge profile public. So here you get a pop-up and you have to click on make profile public. Now you have successfully created your public profile and you have to copy the link that's given here. From HTTPS up till 5C, you have to copy the entire code. Now coming out the form which is given in the description as well, you have to come to this form and fill this as well. So let me brief you what the form says. So what is GDSC? So Google's Cloud Study Jam program is going to be a program where you will get the opportunity to learn so many new things. And if you are stuck somewhere, you will get facilitator who will help you at every step. Along with that, here are a few points that you have to keep in mind. That this is going to be a skill program where you will get some pathways as well as you will get a facilitator to help you at every point. Along with that, this is for your career development and this is not for personal use. 29 August is going to be the date after which you should create your account because account which is created before 29 August is not going to be valid. You must have to enter your correct email ID because all the information are going to come at your mail address. The last date of submission is 31st August, but we have extended it to 1st September. Coming to the email address, you have to first select that you are on the correct account and you are filling your details from the correct account. Enter your email ID and your correct phone number so that we can contact you in case of any problems. Coming to the terms and conditions, there are some very basic terms and conditions that you just have to accept. Let me brief you what it says. So Google process a credit system where you are given with some credits that you can't sold and they will expire on the date where it's written. These credits are non-transferable as well as you can't sold them. Along with that, these credits don't have any commercial value and you can't send it anywhere. These credits are created for students and students have the educational institute backing with them, and these credits are provided for skill building, not for your personal use and hobbies. Along with that, this credit should not be engaged in any kind of commercial activity like crypto mining and all. Your credit have a consistable law values, so just be clear with it. You have to accept all terms and conditions and then click on the next button. Coming to the next page, here we have some gentle reminders that we already talked about. That we have some pathways here. You must have to be the part of GDSC SSCBS. For this, we will provide you the link in the description as well. Your account must be new. There is one more thing that I would like to mention is that if your account is not new, please create a new one. You have to enter your full name, along with that some basic information like your gender and your year of graduation, when will you pass the college. You have to enter whole name of your college in this bracket, not any short form and not SSCBS. You have to enter the whole name of your university and college. Shahid Sukhdev is my college, so I am entering Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. You also have to tick this button because internet connection and laptop is must. Coming to the next page. So here once more we are along with the same process. So if you click on this button, you will see that you have to create an account here, which we have already created on the very first place. Yes, you can see it's the same page. So coming back to our main form, here we have to enter these kind of information. So again, your account must be new, and if you already have an account, please delete it or don't use it here because any credits that you have before 29 August are not going to be counted. So please create a brand new account for that. Verify that your account is new and after 29 August. At this place, you have to enter your email ID once again just for the double checking. So this is going to be the most crucial page where you have to put all your attention. So you have already made your batch profile public, so it's going to be very easy. You just have to paste your URL here. This is the video link that you are watching currently for better clarification. Here you have to enter the whole link. Currently I'm going to enter just the profile name, but we have changed the setting a little bit. Here you have to enter the complete code from HTTPS up till 5C. I'm entering just the code name, but you have to enter the whole URL. Please make it very clear. In the video I'm just entering the small URL, but you have to enter the complete URL. Then you have to click on I acknowledge. Read this properly please and click on I agree. Now you are done with your account making process. If you have done any step wrong, please check it out because we can reject on the basis of wrong form filling and all. So now you are done with your account, just submit it. So now you are successfully enrolled at Cloud Study Exam session. Thank you so much for being a part of it. If you want any links and if you have any problem, please contact us. In the description you can find all the links. Thank you so much for coming. It's Muskan signing off.